After weeks of all the hype with Claude Mythos, OpenAI stepped in and said we have a better model. Claude Code got replaced, Seedance became a sensation again, and many more mind-blowing things happened. And we will be covering all these updates, so stay tuned. Let's start with OpenAI. They just dropped something called Daybreak, and this isn't just one model. It's basically OpenAI's entire cybersecurity push. Daybreak has 4 parts. GPT-5.5 Cyber, which is a special version of GPT-5.5 trained specifically to find and fix security bugs in code. Codex Security, which is a plugin that scans your codebase and tells you exactly where the weak spots are. Daybreak Cyber Partner Program, which is basically OpenAI teaming up with big security companies so they can offer this power to their clients. And Patch the Planet, a really cool initiative where OpenAI is helping open source projects, the free softwares on which millions of apps run on, actually fix the bugs that get found. Now, here's the main part. OpenAI claims GPT-5.5 Cyber beats Anthropic's Mythos 5 on a tough test called the Cyber Gym benchmark, scoring 85.6% against Mythos 5's 83.8%. But just like Mythos 5, GPT-5.5 Cyber is also not available to the public. It's only out for verified, trusted enterprise security teams. Why? Because this model is more permissive, meaning it won't refuse to help with risky-sounding security tasks the way public AI models usually do. Basically, it's built to think more like a hacker, so defenders can patch holes before real hackers find them. And this level of power could be dangerous if left in the wrong hands. So OpenAI is keeping it secured within verified enterprise walls. Also, speaking of Mythos, Anthropic just launched something called Claude Tag. And yes, people are calling it the replacement for Claude Code, even though technically it's replacing their older Claude in Slack app. But Anthropic itself is calling it the next evolution of Claude Code, so the hype isn't totally off. Here's what makes Claude Tag different from a normal chatbot. It's multiplayer, so instead of everyone having their own private chat, there's just one Claude in your team's Slack channel that everyone can tag and talk to. It remembers everything and builds up memory of your team's projects over time, so you don't have to re-explain context every time. It also works on its own. You can tag it with a task, walk away, and it'll work through it in stages and report back. It can also be proactive. If you turn on ambient mode, it can jump into conversations on its own, flagging things or following up on tasks that stalled. And crazy news is that Anthropic says their own product team now generates around 65% of their code using an internal version of Claude Tag, which is fascinating. Next, we are moving to video AI, as Runway just upgraded their AI agent to Agent 2.0. Think of the original Runway agent like an AI video assistant that takes your rough idea and turns it into a finished video, with script, scenes, voiceover, music, all done in one conversation. Agent 2.0 takes this further. Now you can literally hand it a real problem, like my ad campaign isn't performing or I'm launching a new product next week, and it will ask you questions, understand your goal, and build marketing content around it. It's less, make me a video, and more, help me actually solve my marketing problem with video, which we consider a great agentic improvement. After that, we have something that's feels like behind the scenes but is actually really important. This is Mistral OCR 4. OCR just means turning images or scanned documents into readable text. Earlier OCR tools just gave you plain text, but OCR 4 is smarter. It tells you exactly where each piece of text is on the page, what type of content it is, like a title, a table, a signature, and how confident it is about each word. This matters a lot for businesses dealing with tons of paperwork like banks, law firms, and hospitals, because now AI can pull structured, reliable data straight out of messy documents. It also supports 170 languages and can run fully offline on a company's own servers, which is huge for privacy. Next, we have something that's been causing the most buzz online. Seedance by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, is back in action with Seedance 2.5. The big headline is that Seedance 2.5 can generate a single continuous 30-second video clip in native 4K without stitching shorter clips together. Until now, most AI video tools could barely manage 15 to 20 seconds before things like a person's face or the lighting would glitch and change mid-video. But Seedance corrects this and makes a leap forward. It also accepts up to 50 reference inputs, such as images, audio, and even rough 3D models, so creators get way more control over consistency. It's still rolling out gradually, but this is a massive jump for anyone making AI-generated ads, shorts, or films. After that, we have something really big. A Chinese AI company called ZAI released a model called GLM-5.2, and it's completely open source, meaning anyone can download it and run it for free on their own computer. This dropped right around the time Anthropic's Mythos and Fable models got restricted due to export control issues, and GLM-5.2 jumped in to fill that gap. And the big part is that on coding tests, it actually beats OpenAI's GPT-5.5 and gets very close to Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.8, all while costing roughly 1/6 the price to use. This is a big deal because it shows that open-source AI is closing the gap with the big paid AI models, and fast. And last but not the least, we have Genspark Design. This is an all-in-one AI design tool, powered by Claude's Opus model, where you can type a simple prompt and get back logos, posters, UI mockups, and even short videos and animations, all matching the same brand style automatically. The standout feature is that it doesn't just create pretty pictures. It can turn your design straight into working code with one click. So if you're a founder or a small business owner with zero design skills, you can go from an idea to an actual usable app or web page design in minutes, which is crazy leverage. And that's our wrap-up on these AI news. From cybersecurity wars between OpenAI and Anthropic, to an open-source AI's surprising victory over the big players, the development of AI is full of surprises, and we have many more to come. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, comment your favorite update, and subscribe for more AI updates. We also have other channels. Feel free to check them out. All links are in the description and this channel's homepage. See you in the next one.